This is a fit for a 2010 through 2019 and possibly beyond Toyota 4Runner with factory installed raised side rails. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Rhino-Rack Vortex SX base roof rack system. The system is using the Vortex load bars in black, 50 inches in length, and the SX 100 legs, which connect to the raised side rails using a clamping rubberized jaw assembly. Security is provided by the locking end cap using the secure core lock and key. Here we have the crossbars positioned at 34 inches from front to rear, center to center, and that spacing is variable along the length of the raised rails. Maximum weight carrying capacity is 176 pounds, evenly distributed. This product and the full line of Rhino-Rack products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please visit our website for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.